And it's recording. All right. So you've done simultaneous equations. That's familiar. What was simultaneous equations in term 1 about? Because you've done it back in term 1. What was it used for? What were we doing with simultaneous? When you hear simultaneous equations, what are you thinking of? What are we doing, Michelle?
Finding an answer to a variable that suits two or more equations.
Okay, 2 or more equations. That's very good. So finding solution to 2 or more equations. Now the equations bit is key. At year 9 and year 10, or pretty much junior mathematics, there's a specific type of equation. It wasn't just any random equation. And at year 11, this is a year 11 concept or exercise. We then move just a bit further away from that. But what was the 2 or more equations? What type of equations did you do in term 1? What were we doing? Linear. So the equations that you've seen so far, when we say simultaneous equations, you think of something like 2x plus 3, so y equals 2x plus 3, and they'll say y equals, I don't know, negative 5x minus 7. And they say, using simultaneous equations, solve for x and y, right? What were you doing when you did do simultaneous equations? There were 2 methods. One was called substitution method. The other one was called elimination method, which is what you did in term 1. What was it to find? That's what I was trying to explain in term 1, and now I'm sort of circling back to that idea. When you find the x and you find the y's, whatever the answer is, actually we'll type it on CAS so you can see how you would do it for today's lesson as well. So I'm going to bring out a CAS calculator. If you have a CAS, grab it out as well. If you don't, it's okay. Look at the screen. But we're going to practice understanding what is simultaneous equations. What do we do it for? What do we use it for? So I'm going to just load up my calculator. Give me a second.